Welcome to PyQUIZ, from basics to advanced. This is volume 2 of the PyQUIZ series, where we continue our interactive journey to strengthen your Python skills. In this video, we'll explore Python basics, covering variables, data types, comments, indentation, input, output, and type conversion. Let's make learning fun. Stay tuned, answer the questions, and share your score in the comments. Which of the following is a valid variable name in Python? The correct answer is B. What will be the output of the following code? The correct answer is C. Which data type is mutable in Python? The correct answer is C. What is the type of 5.0 in Python? The correct answer is B. Which of the following statements is true? The correct answer is D. Which of the following is a single line comment in Python? The correct answer is B. How do you write a multi-line comment in Python? The correct answer is A. Why is indentation important in Python? The correct answer is B. Which function is used to take user input? The correct answer is A. Which function is used to display output? The correct answer is C. What will be the output of the following code? The correct answer is D. Which function converts a string to a float? The correct answer is C. What does the following code return? The correct answer is B. Which of these data types is immutable? The correct answer is C. What will be the output of the following code? The correct answer is B. What is the result of the following code? The correct answer is B. Which function checks the data type of a variable? The correct answer is C. How do you correctly assign multiple variables in one line? The correct answer is C. What will be the output of the following code? The correct answer is C. What will be the output of the following code? The correct answer is B. Great job on completing this volume of PyQuiz. Keep practicing, keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your score. See you in the next video.